Hi there, practice she and her, part 1. This is practice part 1. Today we'll practice using she in sentences. See part 2 for her and part 3 for she and her together practice. Links will be in the comments. She and her is a third person singular, female. What does that mean? It's when someone is talking about one person who is not yourself, but is a third person, or it can be an animal. I know many non-native speakers sometimes forget if she is for women or men. Well, let's see if this helps you to remember. She, the S, in she is curvy, like a woman. The H in him or he is straight, like a man's body. Hope this helps you. Let me know in the comments. Also, I'll be posting a 3-part series on him and he. Come back and check my channel for those, or hit the bell to get notified when a video is posted. Okay, let's practice some sentences with she. Let's go. I don't know her. Who is she? I don't know her. Who is she? She has a boyfriend. She has a boyfriend. She loves to sing with her friend. She loves to sing with her friend. She says she likes a color red. She said she likes a color red. If she doesn't hurry, she'll be late. If she doesn't hurry, she'll be late. This is my new dog. She's a girl. This is my new dog. She's a girl. She will come with us tomorrow. She will come with us tomorrow. She has a son named Bill. She has a son named Bill. What does she do for work? What does she do for work? She's my best friend. She's my best friend. She loves to dance. She loves to dance. She's a talented singer. She's a talented singer. Is she coming to dinner with us tonight? Is she coming to dinner with us tonight? Yes, she's coming over tonight. Yes, she's coming over tonight. Where is she? Where is she? She studied engineering in college. She studied engineering in college. She won the race last year. She won the race last year. She's wearing a beautiful dress. She's wearing a beautiful dress. She's a nice person. She's a nice person. She's a successful businesswoman. She's a successful businesswoman. She enjoys reading books in her free time. She enjoys reading books in her free time. She's my friend. She's my friend. She told me she'd call me. She told me she'd call me. Does she like to dance? Does she like to dance? She helped me with my project. She helped me with my project. She loves gardening. She loves gardening. She has 4 kids. She has 4 kids. Great job. That's all for today. Don't forget to check my other videos. Go and practice part 2 and 3. The links are in the comments. Thank you for practicing with me. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.